Okay, come on, Ty. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, come on. Okay, so we saw yesterday, Ty can sit really nice in a store. Sit. Because he's got a leash on. So this is how I'm teaching him not to jump with no leash. He's all free. He wants to play. Good boy. Sit. Okay? And now, not only am I making him sit, now I'm going to introduce movement, and I also want him to look at me. Okay? Okay? Sit. Good. Okay? See where we were with here? So he's going to have to listen with no leash. Sit. Sit. Okay. Sit. Okay. Good. So what I'm feeding him is his kibble and some cooked ham. Okay, so you saw he jumped on me. So how we stop this is either teach him to sit, that's the best way. Sit. Right? Because if you're sitting, he can't be jumping. What I could pull away. That is so good. Oh, yes. Sit. Good. Awesome. Good. Sit. Sit. So I'm going to help him a little bit. Okay. Good boy. He went onto a lazy sit, so I just maneuvered him with my hands to a straight sit. Good. Good sit. Good sit. Good sit. Awesome. Sit. 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 So I did a whole circle without him moving. Looking to tell him that's perfect for him not to move. Sit. Oh, that was so good. Yes, that was a good boy. Oh, that was so good. That was such a good boy you are, yes. Look at you, yeah. What do you think of that? Yeah. Yeah. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? Oh. Sit. Yes. Good. Awesome. Sit. Nope. Nope. Sit. Good. Sit. 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 Up. Oh, I did it wrong time. Sit. Good. Sit. Up. Right. Sit. Come on. Sit. Sit. Good. Good sit. Good. We also try a stand. Good. How about a sit? Let's. Good boy. You are so good. Yes, you are. Okay. You're done.